Figure 2 shows the line with the equation y equals 10 minus x and the curve with the equation y equals 10x minus x squared minus 8. The line and the curve intersect at points A and B. We need to find their coordinates. So the coordinates where the curve and the line intersect. So we're thinking simultaneous equations. So I'm going to say 10 minus x is equal to 10x minus x squared minus 8. Add the x squared to both sides. Subtract 10x from both sides and add the 8 to both sides. So that it equals 0, and we can now factorise. It's going to be a minus 9 and a minus 2 that are going to multiply to make the 18 and add to make the minus 11. So x is either 2 or 9. Substitute those into either of the original functions to work out the y coordinates. So y is 10 minus 2 or y is 10 minus 9. So the coordinate of A is 2, 8. The coordinate of B is 9, 1. Part B. We need to calculate the shaded area R. Now, I know that if I integrate the 10x minus x squared minus 8 with respect to x between the limits of 2 and 9, that's going to tell me the area bounded by the curve 10x minus x squared minus 8 and the x-axis. That's going to tell me all of that. Which then, if I subtract the area of the triangle, that's going to leave me with the shaded area. So let's do the integration first. So 10x will integrate to be 10x squared over 2. The x squared will integrate to be 1/3 x cubed. And the minus 8 will integrate to be 8x. Just before I substitute my limits in, let me simplify the 10 over 2 to be 5. Right, so substituting the 9 into this, we got 5 times 9 squared minus 1/3 times 9 cubed minus 8 times 9. Now substituting the 2 in, we'll get 5 times 2 squared minus 1/3 times 2 cubed minus 8 times 2. So just bear with me while I put that into my calculator. And we get 266 over 3. So that is that yellow shaded area. Now I want to be able to take away from that the area of this trapezium, because that's going to leave me then with just the shaded area R. Now, the height of the trapezium I know is 7, the difference between 2 and 9. I know that this side here is 1, and this side over here is 8, because they are the y coordinates of A and B. So the area of this trapezium is a half A plus B times H which is 63 over 2. So if we take that away from our 266 over 3, that's going to give us the shaded area R, which is 343 over 6. And we're done.